What if I tell you that browsing websites that is using HTTP instead of HTTPS can put your confidential information in danger of disclosure? Unfortunately, as a white hatter, and fortunately for hackers, it's pretty easy to view all HTTP requests that is happening over your device. In simple words, HTTPS is indeed HTTP, but the request upon it has been encrypted and verified. HTTPS uses TLS between brackets SSL to encrypt those requests. One of the attacks that the hacker can apply over the network is the man-in-the-middle attack. To explain this in more detail, I will open Wireshark to capture all my network traffic. I will set the Wireshark to only capture HTTP requests as shown. Then, I will try to log in over this non-secure website. Going into Wireshark and analyzing the packets can easily show to the attacker my username and my password in plain text as shown. This cannot be done over HTTPS. However, the attacker can attempt to do an SSL stripping attack over HTTPS websites, which downgrades all HTTPS requests into normal HTTP. Adding on, some websites offer HTTP server to redirect all users into a secure connection. Unfortunately, in some situations, this method is vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attack if HSTS policy is not applied over the website. More about HSTS in future videos.